Shri Guru Charana Padma. This is rasa. Now that the tattva is heard, now, hey Guru, your Charana Padma is Kevala Bhakti Satma. Bandhamu Yisa. ये भवतोरी आ जाए कृष्ण प्राप्ति होय जहाँ होते. I understand that now Krishna Prapti will happen where you are. This is why Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chitte Te Koriya Aikya Arana Kori Ho Mane Asha. This is how a soul naturally feels. Oh my goodness, I have no other desire. Arana Kori Ho Mane Asha. Just Guru Mukha Padma Vakya. Shri Guru Charane Rati Kevala. Shri Guru Charane Rati. Gurumukha Padma Vakyam Itete Koriya Aikyam Aranam Koriho Maniyasham Shri Guru Charane Rati Aise Uttamam Gatim Jai Prasade Pure Sarva Asham Chakshudam Dilo Jai Janme Janme Prabhu Se दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते अविद्या विनाशा जाते वेद गाया हर चरित. All the Vedas are extolling you, the glories of you, Shri Guru, because you dispel the darkness. You dispel the darkness by giving prema bhakti. So, Shri Guru Karuna Sindhu Adhama Jannar Bandhu लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवाना हाँ प्रभु गुरु दया दे हमोरे पद चयन ए बिजाश कुशु त्रिभुवाना श्रील प्रभुपाद पतित पावाना गुरुदेव होइलो शरण. Why why will not we do Gurudev Sharana when we see that there is no other way? But we are actually inseparable from the rays of Sandhini Shakti. Isn't that so? Sun rays are inseparable from the sun. So we are also inseparable. Inseparable from these rays of Sandhini Shakti who constitute the very light of the sun. That's why Janme Janme Prabhu say, I belong to you life after life, life after life. Why? Not just this life. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyev च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. All the Vaishnavas are like desire fulfilling trees. This is Tattva. We may not be able to see it in the beginning because we are very self-centered. But the Vaishnavas are so. So bowing down to all the Vaishnavas, Krishna Adhisthana. Krishna is sitting in the heart of all living entities. What reason do we have not to bow down to Krishna and give due respect? Bowing down to all the Vaishnavas, Jivera Swarupa Hoya Krishnera Nityadasa, bowing down to all the living entities. Taking the foot dust of all the Vaishnavas, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. That's the rasa out of Tattva, dancing in joy. Vaishnavera pada dhuli, tahe mora snana keli. Arpan mora Vaishnavera nama, dhana mora nityananda, pati mora gaura chandra. Prana mora Yugala Kishora. Every word of this Acharya Narottama is imbued. The foundation is Tattva and imbued with Rasa. Every word of it. Vaishnavera pada dulita hemora snana keli dhana mora nityananda pati mora gaura chanda prana mora yugala kishore. This is why bhajans, Acharya bhajans are just Mahaprasad of both Tattva and Rasa. Vrindaya Tulasi Devyaya Priyaya Kesavasicham Krishna Bhakti Priti Devi Satyavate Namo Namah. A land of divine love. The groves of Vrindavana, where we belong to. As we speak, this is where we belong to. Everything that is there in our life at this time is happening because it has to happen in this changing world. But the unchanging reality is that we belong to these grooves of Vrindavana, the land of divine love. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namah. Radha Krishna Seva Palam Ei Abhilashi. Eto Mara Sharanalohi Taravancha Purna Hoi Kripa Kori Koro Tari Vrindavana. Morei Abhilash Vilas Kunchandi Ovas Nayane Haribo Sadam Yugalu Parasi Aini Vedana Dharu Sakira Nukata Kuru Seva Thikaru Diyum Kuru Nichadasi. It's not that we have to get Sakira Nugatya Seva before we leave the mortal frame. Why not Sakira Nugatya Seva happen while we are in this mortal frame? What other priorities do we have in our life? Yasya asti bhaktir bhagavati akinchana sarvair gunair tatra samasate suraha. Where there is akinchana bhakti, the material proceedings will happen. They will happen. Whatever this body needs to be done, the naimitaka dharma is there, they will happen. Then what other priorities are there? Sakir Anugatya Seva. Dina Krishna Dase Hoye Namora Ho Shri Radha Govinda Prema Sadayena Basi. Yani Kani Chapapani Brahma Hatyadikani Chatani Tanu Pranishiti Pradakshina Pade Pade. Mahajanayana Gata Sapanta very gracefully brings one to Sakiran Gatya Seva.